Deep in the heart of the wilderness, among the dense forest and sprawling savannas, roams a formidable predator that strikes fear into the hearts of many. They are wild dogs. Wild dogs are social animals that live in packs, which can range from just a few individuals to as many as 40. These packs are tightly knit communities that work together to hunt, care for their young, and defend their territory. One of the strategies that wild dogs employ when hunting is to choose areas that are far from other predators. This helps to reduce the risk of having their prey stolen from them by stronger, more dominant predators like lions or hyenas. This pack of wild dogs were roaming the savannah in search of their next meal. Their efforts paid off when they spotted a herd of impalas grazing in the distance. Without hesitation, the pack sprang into action. The impalas scattered in all directions. The wild dogs were undeterred. They quickly identified a small impala that had become separated from the rest of the herd and gave chase. The chase lasted for what seemed like an eternity, with the wild dogs slowly gaining on their prey. Finally, two of the dogs managed to close in on the impala and sink their teeth into its flesh. With incredible speed and efficiency, they tore into the impala's flesh, devouring it alive. Not very far from here, an impala saw what was happening. This deceiving creature waits for such situations to take advantage from. It spotted an impala and didn't manage to continue the escape. The poor prey was conceiving a baby of hers and tried to catch her breath. But the hyena, alongside a wild dog, attacked her. The next is a dreadful scene where the baby is taken out of the mother's belly.